Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Starlight Connections, but you can call me Annalisa or Lisi for short. Today I'm reacting to Oh My Girl. The response I got from you was so amazing, so of course I'm going to react to them again. And so as always, I am doing 3 music videos, and today I am reacting to Closer, Remember Me and Windy Day. I am super excited to get into this reaction. I was so blown away by the angelic vocals, so blown away, just the pureness and just the bells. So I'm so excited to see these music videos, so let's do it. Ooh, I love that waterfall, so pretty in the nature. Ooh.
한 걸음 closer 내 맘 한 뼘 closer to you 이렇게 그리운 날에 저 멀리 있나 봐 날 다가가도 아득하기만 해 별똥별아
Beautiful. I love that set. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was lovely. Oh.
I won't walk away. 한 걸음 closer 내 맘 closer to you 아쉬우기 전에 지금부터
Oh my gosh.
널 그리기 위한 꿈을 그리자 그리고 그리며만 알 수 있을까 넌 항상 늘 같은 자리 뮤선 여물어가는 너 Milky Way is on Closer, I'm closer Yeah, I'm closer I'm closer 어느새 데려가줘 to you
Ooh, I like how they disappeared. Oh, wow. That was just so angelic and just ethereal and just beautiful. I loved where they filmed, and I loved the themes they were going for. It felt very fairy tale, like they were, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure I saw Easter eggs of Snow White, obviously Red Riding Hood, Alice in Wonderland. I love that like sort of really beautiful like abandoned building where there was that staircase where we saw them the majority of the time, and like we had all this like overgrown like plants and forest. Like, yeah, it was just wow. I'm so sorry I didn't really focus that much on the lyrics because the video and just what I was hearing was taking me on this journey and story, and yeah, I felt like I was in this fairy tale book. Like it's funny, when I was much younger I loved this show called Once Upon a Time, and for some reason this song gave me that kind of vibe. It sent me back to, great show by the way, loved that show. But yeah, just wow, I felt like that took me on this amazing journey, and yeah, that's what I got from that song. And oh, just some of that, oh wow, the vocals were just beautiful. Bells, I heard bells again, so pretty. Well, let's get into the next one, Remember Me. Oh, we're going down space. Wow, this took a total different, I was just wow. I love that. Oh, that vibrato at the end. Oh, my ears are so happy. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Wow, that was so pretty. Wow, I don't know what they were saying obviously, but the melody, like, the notes. Wow, I remember someone telling me that they don't have an overall theme, but that basically their theme is just about friendship and their friendship. And I felt that in the lyrics of this song, like, will you remember me, you know, and I definitely felt that that's what they were saying, and that they have a love for each other, because you do love your friends, right? Like, why wouldn't you? And yeah, wow, like, it started off completely different, and so I was expecting something completely different, and then the chorus brought it back, and I was like, that's more like it. That's what I'm liking. That's what I like a lot. Like, interesting, the way it started reminded me of Dun Dun Dance, and maybe a bit of Oh My, and a little bit of Non-Stop, but the chorus gave me the first song that I just reacted to, Closer, and then also gave me some, like, the Fifth Sense. So wow, they have amazing vocals, and I'm just completely gobsmacked. I love that it's completely different to what I've usually heard. Like, it's this real sweet, angelic voices, and you can tell that they have training. Like, you can tell, and you can tell that they're really, really good close friends. Like, I can see that. Let's get into the last music video, Windy Day. I'm gonna try focus on the lyrics, but I can't promise. You know me. Oh, so pretty. That harmony! Oh my gosh, that harmonization. Oh my. This is really given some interesting instrumentation there. Wow. The guitar does sound really nice. Oh, nice. That little guitar riff in the back there. That airy, pure vocal. Oh, I hear the vocals in the background. Oh, that harmony. So good. They're going high. Oh wow. Wow. What an eclectic, beautiful song. So interesting. Like, I loved the kind of, I don't know what you would even genre, like it had so many different genres in one song in a way. Like, wow, so interesting. I loved that song. Wow. I loved how they were wearing like deer headbands, and like I thought that they were also again Easter egging Red Riding Hood. That's what I was sort of thinking. Maybe I even saw the table like give me Alice in Wonderland vibes again. Yeah, wow. And the wind, like windy day, and they had their hair like being going in every which direction. That was, wow, again. Wow. Whoever wow, just so gorgeous, so pretty. If you have more recommendations, please put them down below. I so want to check out more, and obviously a guide will need to be done because wow. And I mean obviously live performances as well. If you love this reaction as much as I did, I hope you give it a thumbs up, but it is totally up to you. If this is your first time being here, I hope you will stick around and subscribe, but that is also up to you. And if you didn't know already, for those who are new and for those who have been here for a while, I also have a Patreon. There I post early access of reactions. Not all the time, but sometimes, for those that want to see it earlier. I also react to full album reactions there. And I'm also reacting to Red Velvet Is a Mess series by Flexy. You get the idea. So yeah, it's just $3 to subscribe, but and if you want to support me and continue to support me, I hope you will follow me there, but it is also totally up to you. Thank you all so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.